Hello and welcome. We can't wait to share some great content with you. Whoa, it's acting like it's above everyone. OMG, it's trying to climb the wardrobe again.
Do you not like it?
Hey, look at it, jumping at the window. OMG, it's sneaking up on. OMG, it's attacking the laundry pile. Did you see it mess up your clean clothes? Did you see it try to catch a feather again?
Hopefully they go in for the town hall.
I can't get, there's no way. They're not gonna get it.
So what do you want to try scrapping a 50?
Wow. This kitty's tiny paws are just too cute. OMG, it's playing with the light switch. Did you see it pour at the bubbles? So funny.
Okay, let's.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Look at it, trying to hide in a basket. OMG, it's playing with the phone charger. Hey, look at it, flipping over the newspaper. Whoa, it's acting like it's in a chase scene. Hey, look at it, falling into the toy box. Whoa, it's acting like it's on a secret mission again. Hey, look at how it acts like it owns the place. Whoa, it's acting like the carpet is its enemy again. Wow, it's rolling around in a ball. Hey, look at it, running into the furniture again.
Man.
Did you see it bump into the wall again?
Lemon pepper steppers.
Did you just see the pet give you the death stare?
No. No.
Look at it stretch out so long. Impressive. Did you see it nap in the sunbeam? So precious. Wow, it's climbing up the curtains again.
Oh, this is funny.
OMG, it's rolling around in the sunlight. Did you see it knock over the water bowl? Hey, did you catch it playing with its own tail? Wow. This cat's playful antics are just the best.
Oi, 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 oi.
Look at my happy
Hey,
guy. Oh, just
look
a
at
happy,
it, sitting on the
guy.
remote.
Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Goodbye. Hello and welcome. We can't wait to share some great content with you. Whoa, it's acting like it's above everyone. OMG, it's trying to climb the wardrobe again.